window-mounted compact air conditioner temperature sensing remote control FFRE 1033Q1. Energy Star 10,000 BTU compact air conditioner for %2. 0 window installation has 65 feet 3-prong power core, D and uses standard 115V electrical outlet. Pleated quick mount window mounting kit included minimum window height 155 inches, window width dimension, ons 23 minimum 36 maximum. Quickly cools a room up to 450 square feet with day humidification up to 3 pints per hour. Clean air ionizer removes pollen and impurities for the air, providing relief for allergy sufferers, while fresh air vent exhaust control removes odors. Modes designed to save you energy and money include the auto cool, sleep and energy saver. Click link in description below to read product details and customer reviews.